My people, Nigerians don't come out hold the June 12 protest. This one where they talk say happen both nationwide and for diaspora. Now there this thing happen and them tag them Buhari Must Go protest. Now waiting people tag this protest it means that people they really vex. People they talk about the insecurity where they happen, the corruption where they happen, and the bad things where they happen for our country. Now make people come outside say they won't come protest. Make now watch the video of where people they protest.
Hey!
And I don't see as this protest go very peacefully. When we say wahala no happen, everything just they go smoothly, jejely. And so these people do their thing, but as we go here and they say why this thing they go on. Now dear police just show up. Start to arrest people, start to throw tear gas for everywhere. Now there people come they wonder say, this thing where they do peacefully. What thing make police won't come there now? Come they scatter this kind of matter? And he got one representative where come from channels. She talk say before these police people can't even hijack this thing. Say in fact no wahala, nothing like violence even happen. Say everything they go well before then this police can't enter, can't scatter this thing. Make now watch video of where police they pursue people to arrest them.
They are shooting guns.
Okay, Ben, we
not
really
just
want
tear
to
gas now, they're
emphasize
actually shooting. We cannot tell if these are rubber bullets or these are live rounds. But you can see the police now trying to apprehend some protesters. Yeah, and that's it. One protester has been apprehended right there. He's been taken away. Our camera has been blocked and we've been told to stop recording these shots. We have to move out of sight now.
Please move.
But we're still recording.
And I don't see as police they pursue people, they try arrest people for protest. We say that they even do this thing calmly. The matter will even come shock me now. This police spokesperson, where his name na Frank Imba, he come as I talk say both for Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt and Kano, that is all the places where this protest hold. Say they no hold anybody for detention. How come they surprise? On no hold anybody. So then these people were in arrest, how in a manage, how in a even carry them? I don't understand. So the people in the pursue, that means now Tom and Jerry cartoon now with the watch. That means they edit this kind of pursuing. Because as it be that they even report as the thing they happen now. So this news reporter they tell us say making us say and they even block in camera, making no take show what thing they happen. And I see what thing they happen now be my people. And if say na if say na thief, now somebody they rob, a big one kind kidnapping thing they happen. They can't call police say I beg go police. This kind I swear police no go reach that place. But you see for protest before they go even say police don't reach that ground, they wait for people. Now, so our Nigerian police, they things that they always stand up, get power, get tuition for. They go gather morale. But call them, say, okay, thief there for this place, or can't arrest this thief. Fioko, you know, go even see them one like this. They go wear police uniform, but they go they hide. So that themselves, they know will come outside. Now, wow, but this kind of end protesting where people do. This protest where they do. In fact, it even they shock me because if government fee hide the whole shooting what happened for Lekki about the end protest, if they fee do that one, in fact, they fee do anything. Because this is another way this man don't come outside and say, hey, they don't hold anybody. It means that they don't they try to cover up, they don't they try hide everything what happened on that June 12th day. They don't want to make people know because if like I say the last one where they do, as the people were there outside, those on people they come outside, when they face Buhari say, people get reports and are waiting happen. But I say now they come they find ways to they hide them. Because all these things, people they video this in Koro. As you come as I said, they no pursue, they no arrest anybody. And the man can even talk, say, in fact, the use of tear gas, say they internationally acceptable. And they hear the Oyinbo way this man they speak. Say they acceptable anywhere. Say if they don't say anything like violence when they happen, now there they use them for. But where this violence happen now? Nothing like that happen. People just they protest, they come out, they talk their mind. They talk wetin they really pain them for the country. Now wetin people just go outside go they do before then this police come outside say themselves they won't come do their own. The one wey come overshock me, you know, say as people they shout say Buhari must go. Buhari now there another set self they do their own and their own protest. Now waiting. I stand with Buhari. You know, Shokona. As some people say, make Buhari pack in load. Come out. Now there some people say, make Buhari stand gidigba. Say in fact they like this Buhari. I can't they wonder this Nigeria where then these people. Let's say this Nigeria they don't divide them. Then these people they another Nigeria. Then people where they suffer where they put themselves they another Nigeria. Because I don't understand though. Make an watch video of where people they support this Buhari.
What is happening? This Nigerian government, they are very, very fun. What is I stand with Buhari? These people are really, really mad. How much do they pay them? How much exactly? This guy, okay, please not let me video this guys very well. Like how much do they pay you people? How much? See them. I stand with Buhari. Are you with Buhari? Like I don't get it. This is really, really embarrassing. This is really embarrassing. Who send the bastard? Who send him? Let him go. Let him go. Let him
go. My people, when I don't see what thing they happen, it be like say this country, it go still divide. As some people they cry, now there some people say they support this man. No? Now wow, Nigerians, now we they do ourselves. Now we go come us and I hear say all these people where they here, I sure say they give them one kind thorough kobo. This money no be any better money they won't give them. Now they can't stand up, all of them wear green clothes, wear white clothes, say I stand with Buhari. Waiting na they gain for this whole matter. Because if you know they gain, you show me say nobody go come outside they talk say they won't stand with Buhari. It be like say people just like poverty and hardship. They go give you how much? 15 naira. Abi make I say 2,000 naira. Abi 5,000 naira. How much this money won't even last you? Money will not even last you for 1 week. Now you go collect. Support Buhari. After 2 weeks, now you go still come outside talk say waiting Buhari do. You know good. He do this. Now wow, our Nigerian people on a matter don't they tire us. Make we know where they go if they want to divide the country. Make we know those where they support Buhari. Make we know those where they support them because as it be like this now, the thing don't even they turn wogo. Everybody don't they do their own thing as it be. We don't even know what thing they happen. But everything as everybody they complain. All these things Buhari, they know they talk say make you come out. They just they complain about the bad things where they happen, the bandits where they happen, the kidnapping where they happen, the bad road, bad governance. Now what thing people they cry about? At least try do them these things. Maybe then the whole protest and everything will come reduce. Maybe people go stop to do all this kind of thing. And I hope say this internal things go really change this whole period because it come like say this our country now it don't turn to dictatorship. We can even speak this kind big grammar. One no go fit pronounce because everything now don't turn to by force. This one a dictatorship. Anything where Buhari talk now it must happen. Now people don't fear to talk because if you overtalk, they go come arrest you. Person who even shock myself now, Mr. Macaroni. After they arrest this man, he still can't get mind again, still come. In fact, this man, if not be say something, before even vote for yourself as president because you try, you do well for this kind of matter. But people they really cry, people they suffer. Make now allow people they voice out. They know pursue. They know come that Aso Rock. They come me to say, Oga step down. They just they complain with their voices that they use their mouth to talk. Make no can go carry police now when they do things say they go fight, they go do this and I make can't do this one. But people will go, I hope say now they safe. Then people will experience this whole protest. I wish say now go right waiting na fear and waiting na experience for the comment section. Making a right time there because we say go like no waiting really even happen for this whole matter. As it be now here I go end this matter. Anything way na feel making I not forget to write down for the comment section. Making I not forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for our next video.